Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve Bluetooth is not available on this device. Please try using an external adapter. So to resolve this problem, try some method. Firstly click on start, then search settings, open settings, and here click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and run troubleshooter on Bluetooth. Follow the suggestions which you see here. If this method not work, so try another method. Click on start, then search device manager, open device manager. Now expand Bluetooth, and here you will see some Bluetooth devices. Right click on it and update driver. Browse my computer and select this let me pick. So update this all driver one by one. Now exit and restart your system. Still you are facing problem, so you can try third method. Open control panel. Now here click on power options. Select this first one. Choose what the power button does. Now here guys, click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Now unselect this one. Turn on fast startup. Then click on save changes and restart your system. So this is the method guys, you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and comment any method work for you or not.